Alright, I'm out here in Beaverton, Alabama at the County Road 49 crossing, which is the only signalized crossing in town. The new relay case over there says this is Main Street, but I've not seen any street blades posted confirming that, so I'm just going to keep calling it County Road 49. Anyways, doesn't seem to be anything coming. The signal, the mainline signal right there for South Beaverton was off when I checked just about a minute or so ago. Anyways, so the first gateless signal here, as you can see, replaced both signals, which is why I'm getting this. First gateless signal here, it has a Siemens base. Then we got the emergency information. It's the dot number 667567Y. It appears that BNSF went through and replaced several of the older signals out towards this end of the line within the past few years. So I'm glad I got the old signals here. The lights, these are all Safe Trend 12 by 24-inch lights with dialight ball LEDs. There's the dialight ball LED, there's the back of one of the heads showing the Safe Trend logo. Then up here we got a General Signals electronic bell. I assume this is a GS Type 3. So yeah, so back side of this signal. Then we got the other one over here. This one replaced an older, I believe, late-Frisco signal. This has another Siemens base. And then we have right here is the emergency information again. Hopefully that guy gets, yeah, okay, that guy's speeding off good. Then we got the lights, which are all more Safe Trend 12 by 24-inch lights with dialight ball LEDs, as you can see right there. And then you got the Safe Trend in the back of one of the heads showing the Safe Trend logo. And then over here, you got the General Signals electronic bell. I assume it's another Type 3. The sign signal here is probably still lit red because those are lit 24/7 from what I've seen, but the signals on the main line only light when something gets lined through them. Then of course track B that way, track B that way. Right over there of course is the new relay case. Like I said, it says Main Street on it, though I've not seen any signage referring to this as Main Street, just County Road 49. So yeah, not too much else to say here. Just the idea of videos showing the upgrade here. I'll have to get back out here at some point and get all these crossings I've filmed that have been upgraded, refilmed again. Over and out.